Hi guys, and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to restore, clean, and shine leather and make it look brand new. Jade and I recently stopped at Plato's Closet, which is a secondhand clothing store. She managed to pick up these combat boots for around $10, I believe. Yep, $10 as you can see there. Just like basic wear and tear, some creases, you know. So let's go ahead and go over what you're going to need to restore your boots. First off, you're going to need, of course, your shitty leather boots. And next, you're going to need something to condition and restore your leather. So I recommend Kiwi's conditioning oil. It's about $4 at Walgreens. Comes in a little tin like that. Okay, next you're going to need a polish. It's about $4. They come in every color. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using the brown. So it is Kiwi brown polish. Next, you're going to use a white t-shirt. Should be a t-shirt that you're never going to use again. And last but not least, something everybody has in their house, a lighter. For the first step here, we're going to start off with the conditioning oil. I'm going to go with the Kiwi, just because I'm using Kiwi shoe polish. And then this is the product you should have. Is you're going to take your t-shirt and then you're going to wrap it around your finger so you have a nice fine pressure point that is still covered in fabric. You're going to press down into the conditioning oil. Just kind of saturate the fabric a little bit. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab your saturated little finger here, and then you're just going to fully cover and lather this leather. I recommend doing it in little tiny circles like this. I've now fully finished saturating both shoes in the conditioning oil. A couple things I want to point out though. The tongues, once you lace these bad boys up, they're going to be really noticeable if you don't saturate these. And you're going to want to make sure to get inside all of the creases and everything, because there's going to be some crap in there. So yeah. For the next step, we're going to let this conditioning oil kind of set in and settle for about 30 minutes. Now that it's been about 30 minutes, we're going to take a clean part of the same t-shirt. I'm going to simply wipe over and just wipe off any excess oil, etc. Now that I've wiped off all the excess oil, you'll see that they're not as shiny, but they're also not as dark. As you can see, I've opened up the shoe polish here. I have the brown, and then you might not see it in here, but there's actually water, and I'll explain that next. You're gonna grab another clean section of your towel here, of your shirt. Should be 100% cotton like before. You're gonna take the lighter that you had earlier, simply let it set on fire for a second. Blow it out, and as you can see, it's more of a liquid now. So you're gonna kind of dab in there. You're gonna take the shoe. Always start with the tip, and if you want to go farther, you can. Otherwise, it's not necessary. So you're gonna take it on the tip, put on a big, nice layer here. Just kind of rub it in circles all around. It should eventually turn into some kind of like pasty, hazy looking substance on the tip of your shoe, but that's okay. That's what the water's for. So you're gonna dip your finger in the water slightly. You don't want to fully soak it, and then you're gonna wipe it on the shoe, just kind of rubbing the rest of that polish. Remember guys, little circles and it'll buff out perfectly. So, after the first coat, that's where we're at. Still need to buff it out a little more, but I'll come back after I put on a few more coats. Alright guys, as you can see, I have finished both of the boots. After about 10 full coats here, you get a nice glossed front tip, as well as a nice little base coat around the back heel and around the whole shoe. Basically look brand new and completely change the look of the entire boot. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you. Bye-bye.